Can we change name on Agoda application? Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to find out if we can do that or not, so straight out let's head into the video. First thing first you can do is you can open up a browser instead of the application in order to access your profile. So for that you can head over to a browser and go ahead and type in agoda.com and simply go ahead and log in using your credentials into the website of Agoda. Just go ahead and do that. And then once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface on your screen. The next step you can follow up is you can look for the menu bar, which is usually located at the top right corner. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you'll be finding a menu view. You may just go ahead and scroll down and find the account section where you should be finding my profile option. You may just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on my profile here, it will show you your user details, including other options as well. So what you can do in order to edit out name is right now we can see we have email, phone number, password, and name section. So beside password and phone number, we have this add option, and beside password option, we have this edit option where we can use this option in order to change our password. Similarly, if you're looking for the name section, unfortunately, we cannot have any changes to it. So when you go ahead and tap on it, unfortunately, it does not let us change or our name on Agoda. So once your name is verified for the Agoda application, you need to go ahead and make bookings with this application, as this application does not allow us with any kind of modifications within the app once you have already set up your name completely. So if you're wondering how you can do that before opening up the application, using this account on your Agoda application, make sure that you are using the correct name so that you won't be having this kind of issues in future. So that's it.